Welcome back. We are going to continue on with a quick video to review what is in step 4, and I'm actually going to do a little excerpt from step 5 as long as I'm in here with you. So what I wanted to show you in this video was how to adjust your profile. When you first sign in and you create your account, you select a content area, you select a grade level. And in doing so, most of the content that's presented is aligned to that content, to those standards, and to those grade levels. But I do realize that you might be jumping around from school to different contents, to different grade levels. So I just wanted to show you how easy it is to change your profile to then be aligned with whatever class you're teaching. This is very simple. Again, we're going to come up to our 3-bar menu. We're going to come all the way down to the bottom. This is where we switch to student mode. And then you're going to find your name. Your name is going to take you into your profile. And here you can see my profile is up. And I have the option to edit anything I want. I can add an avatar for myself. I can change my name if I so choose. You don't really need to change the name of your school. Even if you're moving from school to school, that won't really matter in the long run. But here I can change what grade I'm teaching, and I can also change what my primary content area is. And then once I've done that, I will save my profile, and then my content will now be aligned with whatever I've changed the information on my profile to reflect. So one more thing I want to show you is when you're done teaching a class, let's say you were teaching 3rd grade and now you're being moved over to high school science. You want to get rid of, maybe I shouldn't say get rid of, let's use the word archive your class. Because what we don't want to happen is we don't want a lot of different subs to come in and then have the students have, tons of classes that they have to figure out which is their class. So you can easily archive a class after you're done teaching it. So you're going to come down to all of your classes. You'll find the class that you want to archive. I'm going to archive ELA Secondary. I'm going to click on the class. Here are the assignments that I assigned. Over here, I have my class settings. So what I can do, there's a couple things I can do from here. If I really like this class that I set up and maybe I want to use these assignments for another school or another class I'm working with, you can import those assignments into another class simply by clicking Import Assignments. And when you are finished with that class, you can always click on Archive Class. When you archive the class, it goes away from your list, but have no fear, that class is being saved. It's being archived. So at any time, you can come up to this little file box here and you can unarchive your class. So let's say you were teaching at one elementary school, then you went over to a middle school, and then you got asked back to that elementary school again, and you want to reopen that class. You just simply select unarchive that class, click unarchive, and then there you go. Voila, there is your class. So that's a really easy way to archive and unarchive and just try to keep things as simple as possible. Alrighty.